In this video, we'll show you what to do if the sound or audio is not working on your MSI laptop. So to get started, right click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and then select sound settings. Now here under the output section, click on the arrow next to your speaker device. Now in this menu, make sure this is set to allow. So make sure you haven't disabled the device from here. Additionally, you can also check its volume level using this slider. Now scroll down and make sure that the audio enhancements are turned off from here, because sometimes this feature can cause problems with the speaker device. So make sure to turn them off. However, if your device doesn't appear under the output section, what you can do is scroll all the way down and then click on more sound settings. In this window, you will need to right click anywhere on an empty spot and then select show disabled devices. Now here find your speaker device on the list, right click on it and then set it to enable. Once your device is enabled, what you can do is select it and then set it as the default sound output device. Next, click on properties. Now here you will need to go to this advanced tab and then click on restore defaults and then hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, head back to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result. Now in this window, scroll down and then find this Windows audio service, double click it and then make sure its startup type is set to automatic. Now make sure the service is running. If it's not, click on the start button to run it. Now click on apply followed by OK. Similarly, repeat the same steps for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder as well. So set the startup type to automatic, make sure the service is running and then hit apply followed by OK. After that, restart your MSI laptop and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to expand this audio inputs and outputs section. Now here right click on your speaker device and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. Next, scroll down and expand this sound, video and game controllers. Now here again right click on your speaker device and then select uninstall. Tick this checkbox and then click on uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done this, restart your MSI laptop and see if the issue is resolved. If nothing else works, use the link in the description to update the BIOS settings on your MSI laptop. Once you update the BIOS, the sound or the audio should start working as before.